So, Fred and I are on the ferry boat. We're headed to Drummond Island. What are we going to do today, Fred?
I have no idea.
Well, Fred's going to go help Uncle Chris do a chore. Not sure exactly what it is. We're going to go do guy stuff. But I'm going to go over and meet Dad. He had to work this morning, but I'm going to go and dig ramps and get some fiddlehead ferns. Gonna go out in the woods and see what we can find. Maybe we can find mushrooms. It's supposed to rain. I don't know if it's late enough for mushrooms. I haven't heard yet. I know the ramps are ready and I know the fiddlehead ferns are ready. It's 42 degrees, so it's really quite warm. There the boat's starting. There's where we're headed. There's where we're coming from. Boat started, so they're gonna start loading. So we dropped Fred off with Uncle Chris. I guess they're gonna clean off the blacktop at the church, get all the gravel left off from winter. That's what they're doing. We're out here in the woods. We found leaks. Here's the woods. I see patches. Gary's getting the buckets. We didn't get to come out here last year because I was in school yet. But they're all over. Oh, there's a good patch. I'll show ya. I just used up the last of my leeks from 2 years ago. I did some pickled eggs. There they are. And you don't dig all the way, you just dig a little in and loosen them and reach down and just, without disturbing too much dirt, I think you have to dig a little deeper.
There's not much deeper in this earth. Where we're at is all nothing but rock underneath
We're on
here.
Rock Island here on Drummond. The whole idea is you don't dig too deep. You just pull the bigger bulb out and it leaves the smaller rhizomes. Because if you dig the whole thing up, then the rhizomes come also. And then it doesn't leave anything to grow. There they are. Oh, look at that little baby pine tree. I'm hoping for some fiddlehead ferns too, but I think we have to go to a different location. And the deckhand told me today that they're getting mushrooms out in the woods today. So hopefully we can find some morel mushrooms. If I find one, I'll get it on camera and show you. So I'm gonna go dig leeks and I'll talk to you later. These are the other stones on the island too. They're these river rock. You can find these round ones. I have a space in my flower bed too. All these pretty river rock.
Which one?
That one right there.
This nice square one?
Yeah, isn't it pretty? Called my name.
You done?
Yeah. Oh my God. There it is. I said, I want a pudding stone, and he pointed and he said, there it is. Okay, so we got leeks out of the woods, and we stopped and picked rocks, and we have them in the car. So now we're going out to look for mushrooms at, well, I'm not going to say where, because isn't that kind of a tradition? You don't say where you pick mushrooms. Isn't that the way that works? Fred's still with Uncle Chris, and we're off to the other side of the island. Here we go. And it's cold. It's still, you know, cold and starting to rain. And we just saw snow still in the woods. No wonder my nose is cold. So, off on our adventure. So in our quest for mushrooms, we got behind jeepers. Woohoo! There they are. Yes, they invade Drummond Island regularly, but it's an economic thing. The island kind of likes it. They have jeeper events. They call them in. Come to the island, jeepers. Yes, they do. On with our quest. So the place that we come to pick mushrooms, we find an exorbitant abundance of leeks everywhere. Crazy amount of leeks. It's amazing the amount of leeks that are over here. So We're gonna wander around. Look for mushrooms for a little bit. Then I'm gonna take some more leaks. Yay! I think I need to go get my jacket on. It's raining again. And I'm cold. Alright, so we're back on the ferry boat, just docking back on the mainland. We got ramps, leeks, we got fiddlehead ferns, we found 2 little tiny mushrooms. Actually, they were given to us by somebody who we talked to on the road. And we got horsehair, little baby ones for salad. So that was our adventure. And Fred helped Uncle Chris, and he got paid so he could pay for one of his little events that he wants to do. Say hi, Fred.
Hi.
And that was our day.